Hi, welcome to Sassy Craft and Mama. I just wanted to give you a PSA video, who I am and how I came about my channel. A few months ago, I was working on a project for Doc McStuffin's party, and at the end of the night, I had sent hubby a finished picture, and he then said, "Oh, that's wonderful, it's beautiful." And then we had a whole conversation that night. He said, you really should start a YouTube channel. And I said, what? YouTube? I don't know anything about YouTube. He said, yeah, maybe there might be somebody else out there trying to plan a party or an event and they need some inspiration on how to do it. And he said, you're always doing things. And I said, I never thought about it. I don't know anything about YouTube. He said, well, when you do your projects, just let me know and I'll record them, edit them. You don't have to worry about anything. Just do your crafts. So here I am a couple months later. I am a new crafter. I would love to get into sewing and getting a cutting machine, hopefully in the near future. I've seen some awesome crafting projects on Pinterest that I like to do. And hopefully I will get to them by the end of this year. So currently I am working on a few things and I'm uploading videos just about every day because I'm working on a couple of different projects. But I would like you to subscribe and click and share. I think that's what you're supposed to do. But I just want to say thank you to hubby, because if he never said anything, I wouldn't be here. I thank him for his love and his support. And have a great day and continue crafting. And thank you all for watching.